Why is it that pain follows bad thoughts and happiness follows good thoughts? It's as simple as this. You have the law of karma at play, you have the law of attraction at play, and you have the law of evolution at play. When you think of a thought, it's either neutral, positive, or negative, right? Just to oversimplify. So when that thought is created, it's like data that we cranked out of our computer. That either stays with us, or if it's about someone else, it shoots out of our aura, goes to the other person. So let's just say it's about someone else. You go, yeah, I saw that guy, he dresses funny and he smells and he's also a jerk. Very simple. So when you created that thought, it's directed at that person. That thought is like a hologram, just to oversimplify, in our energy field. As soon as we stop thinking about it, it takes off like a missile going to the other person's aura and just discharges. In this case, it was criticism, anger, and ridicule, whatever it is. So we discharge that negative energy. Well, by the law of karma, again, not an opinion, it's like a psychic cosmic boomerang that will hurl back towards us. And the law of attraction is at play. Even when you're sending it, it's already gathering energy. It's attracting similar energy of ridicule and anger and gloating or whatever it is. So by the time you send out 1 unit of negative energy, you already hit them probably with 5 or 10, depending on the size of your chakras. By the time it hits them, right, the damage has been done. By the law of karma, this cosmic boomerang, that energy is coming towards us. So let's just say by then it's increased by 20 units. And on the way back, it increased to 100 units, just to oversimplify. So you have the law of karma at play and your law of attraction. Now, luckily, there's the law of evolution. So as it hits us, ouch. Either you are aware of it or not, damage will be done to us. The law of evolution would says, if we learn from it, it's good. That means, okay, ouch, that hurts. Wait a minute, it started because I projected negative thoughts. Maybe I should have said, okay, this person smells because he doesn't have hygiene. Maybe, he's not the person I like to keep company with. And leave it at that. Okay, I've learned my lesson. Next time I see this guy, I'll just ignore him or I'll just not interact with him so I don't create these negative thoughts. Boom. So the law of evolution is at play. We learn the lesson. So next time, we stop shooting. Or we don't learn the lesson. So we keep shooting. So the law of karma keeps hitting. The law of attraction multiplies, hits us again. Until, and then somehow, we start noticing that, hey, how come there are people in our life that criticize us for no reason? And ding, somehow you realize, wait, I've been doing to this guy. Maybe this is, the universe is trying to teach me a lesson. Okay, I got it. Earlier we get the lesson, the less the pain becomes. Now let's look at it in the positive side. So we start saying, that guy, he's really smart, huh? Man, it's amazing. When he talks, I could feel the genius juices coming off him. And it inspires me. Man, that guy's great. Love being in that guy's presence. I hope that he writes more books and you just keep shooting, not shooting, but projecting positive thoughts. Man, that guy's really amazing. So right there and then you feel good, right? You're projecting good energy, good thoughts. That's what you're projecting. Then you start noticing people appreciate you more. Yeah, people that you barely just know, they just look at you and go, oh, I like what you said. Or I like the way you dress. I like your dress. I like your shirt. That's weird. People didn't used to always admire me for anything. But now it seems like people do notice stuff. Ding! The good thoughts we've been planting, by the law of karma, like cosmic boomerangs coming back, and it attracts more good energy. By the time it hits us, we actually feel good for praising that person. And you start noticing, by the law of karma, it's also coming back from other places. Oh, then the lesson is learned. When I project good thoughts, right then there I'm happier. And I also notice, as I praise these people, other people also appreciate me. Part of us, click, click. Oh, they're connected. Okay, from now on, I'm going to watch my words. I'll be nice to people. And if I have something bad to say, I'll zip it. That's why if you've been with us on the different lessons, there are 3 simple questions. Number 1, is it true? Number 2, is it necessary to say? And number 3, is it kind or is it hurtful?